Hello everyone. So in the last video, we have discussed calculation of PC under lump sum method and net present method. So in this video, we will discuss PC under calculation of PC under net payment method. Under this method, the purchase consideration will be the total payments made. I've told you already. See, sometimes they will give you mode of payment. Okay, mode of payment. So under this method, the purchase consideration will be the total of payments made in any form. It can be like cash, debenture, or equity share, or combination of all three by transferring company, that is purchasing company, to transfer company on any basis. Generally, a transferring company decide to decide the payment to be made towards liability of transfer company which not taken over and toward expenses. The total of such payments will be the purchase consideration. Please remember, under net payment method, it is nothing but discharge of PC. They'll give you how the payment will be done. The mode of payment will be given, whether you are making payment through cash or through debenture or equity. And they will give you full information, full mode of payment information. That means full payment information they'll give you. So whenever they give you full payment information, that is nothing but net payment method. Now we look into the question. Look at here. We have X Limited. Okay, X Limited is acquired by Y Limited. So Y Limited is a, what is it? Transferee company, and X Limited is transfer company. Agrees to make the following payments. That is, look at here. They have given the payments details, complete payment details. Cash at rupees 5 per share, 5 per share for 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each held by X Limited. See, X Limited is having 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each. For that, Y Limited is giving 5 rupees cash for every one share held. So what should be the amount? 10,000 into 5. We will get 50,000. We'll see later. Next, issue 2 shares of rupees 20 each for every 5 shares held in X Limited. Look at here. The total number of shares in X Limited is how much? 10,000. For every 5 shares, every 5, that is 10,000 divided by 5. They're issuing 2 shares. 10,000 divided by 5 into 2. So we will get 4,000. For every 2 shares, they're issuing equity shares of rupees 10 each. 4,000 into 20, it will be 80,000. We will discuss later. And discharge 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh, 12% debentures of 12% debentures of X Limited at 10% premium by issuing 13% debentures in Y Limited. Please remember, whenever they give you a discharge of debentures, please remember, you should not take for calculation of PC. Okay, you should not take for calculation of PC when they discharge PC. But PC can be discharged in debenture. But when the debentures are taken over, we need to pass separate journal entry. That is, debenture support data to, I mean, by the transferring company and by transfer. When it comes to incorporation entries, we will discuss later. And now, please keep in mind, whenever the takeover debentures are creditors, you should not take under PC. Okay, should not take under PC. This is very, very important. This should not be taken under PC. Okay, and repeat again, discharge of PC, we'll pass separate journal entry. That should not be taken under PC. And look at here, and 50,000 cash creditors of X Limited to final settlement of their account. So this one also should not take, because I've told you, whenever they give you liability, whenever the liabilities are taken over, we will pass in separate journal entries. We will pass separate journal entries. It is not required here. Okay, we'll pass in the, I mean, we can write under regulation account. So liability should not be taken. Only the mode of payment, that is cash and issue. The mode of payment you have to take. See, look at here. They are taking over 2 liabilities, debenture and creditors. So you should not take these 2 liabilities. Now they have given mode of payment, that is this information. Okay, you have to look at only this information. That is cash at rupees 5 per share for 10,000. So 10,000 into 5, it will be 50,000. And what they have given, they are issuing 2 shares of rupees 20 each for every 5 shares held. So 10,000 is the total number of shares. 10,000 is the total number of shares. So 10,000 into 2 by 5, because for every 5 shares they are issuing 2 shares. 10,000 into 2 by 5 is 4,000. So 4,000, if you multiply with 20 rupees, then we will get how much? 80,000 we will get. So if you total, the total amount will be 50 plus 130, it will be 1,30,000. Now you might be wondering, can we do discharge of PC? No, you can't do discharge of PC because the discharge of PC is nothing but it's a net payment method. They have given how you are going to make payment. I'll repeat again, this is very, very important adjustment. When the debentures are taken over, or discharge or creditors are taken over, we should not take for calculation of PC, which is very, very, very important. But under net asset method, we need to take. Under net asset method, we need to take, not under payment method. Okay. Next. Look at here. If you want, you can go to this note. Only payment for the shareholders, that is equity and preference share, are taken over. This is very, very important. Only payment for shareholders, that is equity and preference share, are taken for the purpose of purchase consideration. Payment mode or debenture and creditors are not considered for calculation of PC, and these payments have to be made directly after taking over the liabilities from transfer company by passing an entry in the transferee company. Okay, transferee, which is very, very important now. The next one, question number 6. The shareholders to get rupees 10 cash for every shares in X Limited. We don't know number of shares, we'll see. And shares in X Limited is, look at here, they have given shares in X Limited is 40,000. So for every one share, they will be paying 10 rupees. So 40,000 to 10, it will be 4 lakh. Okay, 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each. And 5 shares of rupees 10 each. Look at here, they are giving 5 shares of rupees 10 each for every 4 shares held by X Limited. Please remember, these questions are very, very important for 6 marks. So they will be issuing 5 shares of rupees 10 each for every 4 shares. What you need to do? 40,000 divided by 4, because for every 4 shares, they will be issuing 5 shares. Now, 40,000, so we'll calculate PC. They have given the mode of payment, calculation of purchase consideration. They have given cash. They will be paying 10 rupees cash for every 1 share. Okay, every share. That is 10 rupees into 40,000, it will be, yeah. See, they have done mistake here. Please correct this. 40,000 into 10 rupees, it will be 4 lakh. Okay, you have to correct this one also. Okay. Just 2 minutes. So, calculation of PC. Calculation of PC. Okay. What you need to do, they have done mistake there. Okay, under that cash. So 40,000 into, for every 1 share, they will be paying how much? 10 rupees. So if you do like this, total amount will be how much? 40,000 to 10, 4 lakh. You can write it in 4 lakh. Next, equity shares. Okay. There, look at here. For every, we have total 40,000 shares. Okay. For every 4 shares, so you have to divide by 4. They are issuing 5 shares. Multiply with 5. So how much will get? 50,000 will get. So 50,000 into equity shares of rupees 10 each. So it will be 5 lakh. Look at here. They've done the same thing, but this calculation is wrong. Okay. So it will be 5 lakhs. Totally, if you had, it will be 9 lakh. The PC amount will be how much? Total PC will be 9 lakh, which is very, very, very important. Okay. So they've done mistake here. They've calculated 7 lakh. Please correct this. So I think you can change question here, or you can change the answer itself. Okay. I hope the concept is clear. Okay. So we have done calculation of PC under, okay, a lump sum method, under net payment method, and net asset method. And for 6 marks, these questions are very, very important for your exams. Now, from the next video, we will solve previous question papers, okay, which are very, very important. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.